In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to remove Yahoo Search from Microsoft Edge here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate here at the bottom search bar and please type for Edged or Microsoft Edged. Once you've typed that, please wait until you will be able to see a best match here. And once it's here, all you need to do is you need to navigate at the right side of that, click on Open to continue. So in a few moments, you would be able to bring up the Microsoft Edge browser. Please expand it first. And here you need to navigate to the top right corner. You can see there are three dots like this. Please click on it. And here you need to proceed with settings, which has this gear icon. So click on it again. And eventually you would be able to bring up the Microsoft Edge settings in this tab. Okay, so here at the settings, please proceed to the left pane of that. You can see there a list of the option and look for privacy, search, and services. Click on it. And in this tab, you need to proceed with search and connected experiences where you can manage search, connected experiences, and services. So click on it. And here you need to scroll down on the list and proceed with address bar and search where you can manage search suggestions and search engine used in the address bar. So click on this forward arrow key and there you can see search engine used in the address bar. So here you can see there a switched option or an option which is, as you can see, that the default here is Yahoo Search. And in order to remove this one entirely here in the Microsoft Edge as the address as the search engine used in address bar, click on this down arrow key and choose any of this. So it could be Bing, Google, DuckDuckGo, or Yandex. So let's say, for example, you would like to change that into Google, then set it as one. And here under the manage search engine, click on this forward arrow key as well. And here you need to go with Yahoo, click on it, and go with removed. In that way, you would be able to remove that here under the search engine. So by that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.